What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So is PayPal ready to launch?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Or are we going to see another dump?
What a dump.
So that's why I'm here to analyze the charts for you guys. So let's take a look at what happened since last week or this week, Tuesday, because that was the last time I looked at PayPal. So you can see that on Tuesday, price was trending up, closed right at the $61 level. And then, we trended up a little bit more to the 62, 67 before pulling back. So now it looks like we have our starting point for the second leg up, because usually the market moves in twos. So since we kind of bounced around the $58 level, just like in the past, there's a good chance we can pull back higher because price was overextended from the EMA. So this was one initial leg up, and we could be starting the second leg up right at the bottom of this swing. So I'm not saying this is going to be for sure, because we can always pull back further, and the second leg could be a little bit lower. But this looks like at least a starting point where we can have some type of measurement for the second leg up. So I'm expecting the EMA at the 63.37 level, because that's where this prior swing is, and then maybe even the measure move target at the 65.22. So let's see what the market does next week. It looks like it's wants to continue to push up higher. It's not guaranteed, but that's what it looks like it's trying to do. It looks like we're still overextended, and we have a starting point for the second leg up. So it looks like the market could be maybe at least trading sideways, or continue to push up a little bit higher, especially for PayPal. PayPal looks a little bit more likely to continue to push up higher because it was extremely overextended. So that's all I have for PayPal right now. I want to go over a couple more things. First, you can see that this blue downward channel in the past represents the huge
What a dump.
from the earnings report, and then price pull back, and then we saw another push down lower. So the same pattern occurred right over here. You can see there was a move down that this blue channel represents. Price pull back. It wasn't a pullback as large as the first one, and then price
What a dump.
pushed down lower to the $58 level, and then we saw a rally higher, just like where we're getting right now. So we saw the rally higher after price broke the blue channel, made a new low, and then we continue higher. So it looks like a repeat pattern, very similar to in the past. So I think the whole thing could play out just like that. So if you guys are learning anything new on my videos, make sure to
like the video
and subscribe for more PayPal updates. So that's pretty much all I have for PayPal on the daily chart. I mean, there's not much else to say, except it looks like we are going to probably continue higher. I mean, for me to be really bullish, and for you guys to say,
oh my god, I'm rich, my stock's going up,
then we need to see a break of the $67 level and this trend line, and we hold it. We don't want to see a fail breakout and get rejected. We want to see price push through it, pull back, find some type of support, and then continue higher from there. And that would be, pretty exciting for you guys. So that would be the bullish pattern to occur, but that's a long ways away. So we just have to figure out what's going to occur right over here in the meantime. And right now it's looking more likely it will go up than down. So that's all I have for PayPal on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. Overall, you can see that PayPal retraced, much of the move since, 2018, 2017. So we're kind of even below those price levels. We're actually trading near the August 2017 price action. So this was definitely a large sell-off for PayPal. And maybe this downtrend looks to be coming to an end fairly shortly, because we had a huge move down and price started curling, flatter and flatter, and looks like, is getting weaker. So this is actually, even though it looks bearish, it's actually a bullish sign that we're not really inside of this yellow channel any longer. And, we're just kind of moving at a flatter angle. So, the measure move is still in play. I'm not saying, it's not going to be reached at the $52 level, because it's still in play. I'm just saying we're going to probably see a pullback before we go down lower. We can always still go down lower because we're still below the $67 level. That's, going to be acting as resistance. We're still within this trend line right over here. So there's a good chance that PayPal could go lower if we don't see, a lot of aggressive buying occur fairly shortly. So that's all I have for PayPal on the daily and weekly charts. Just make sure to hit the
like the video
like button and subscribe for more updates. and maybe in the future, you guys can, start the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So that's once we get back above the $67, $68 level. But in the meantime, this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.